Do you know how vital equipment maintenance is for your business? Let's talk about it. Equipment maintenance plays a crucial role in the business world. It quietly works behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly, preventing breakdowns and making sure everything operates safely. But what happens when we neglect it? The results can be catastrophic. Imagine this, an equipment failure in the middle of a high-stakes project. Suddenly, you're grappling with unexpected maintenance fees, production comes to a standstill, and don't even get me started on the potential safety concerns. It's a nightmare scenario, right? Now, let's flip the script. A well-maintained piece of equipment hums along, doing its job effectively and efficiently. It doesn't just perform its function, it holds its value longer, enhancing your equity and borrowing power. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's simple. Proper equipment maintenance isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about preventing those breaks in the first place. It's about proactive strategies that keep your business running like a well-oiled machine. Now that you understand the importance, let's dive into the best practices for equipment maintenance. It comes to maintaining your equipment, a variety of strategies can be employed. These include preventive, diagnostic, predictive, corrective, and scheduled maintenance. What does each of these entail? Well, preventive maintenance is about taking action before a problem occurs, while diagnostic maintenance involves identifying the root cause of a problem. Predictive maintenance, on the other hand, uses data from your equipment to predict when a failure might occur. Corrective maintenance is about fixing a problem that has already occurred, and scheduled maintenance is the regular checking and fixing of equipment according to a set schedule. One of the key aspects of equipment maintenance is regular inspections. These are crucial for identifying potential issues before they escalate into major problems. Think of it as a regular health check for your equipment, ensuring everything is running smoothly and efficiently. Now, if you're managing a large fleet of equipment, keeping track of everything can be a daunting task. Is where a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, comes into play. A CMMS allows you to centralize your maintenance records, making it easier to manage your equipment and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Important aspect of equipment maintenance is adhering to manufacturer guidelines for maintenance intervals. Guidelines are designed to keep your equipment in top working condition, so it's essential to follow them to the letter. Ignoring these guidelines can lead to premature wear and tear, and potentially void your warranty. And let's not forget the importance of using quality spare parts. It might be tempting to save money by using cheaper alternatives. This can often lead to more problems down the line. Quality spare parts ensure your equipment continues to operate at its best and can actually save you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent repairs. Implementing these best practices, you can ensure your equipment operates at peak performance and lasts longer, saving you money in the long run. So, to recap, we've delved into the crucial role that equipment maintenance plays in keeping operations smooth and efficient. We've understood that a well-structured maintenance program not only prolongs the life of the equipment, but also enhances its performance. We've also highlighted some of the best practices in equipment maintenance, such as adhering to manufacturer guidelines, regularly inspecting your equipment, and implementing a mix of preventive, predictive, and corrective maintenance strategies. We've underlined the importance of using a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, for managing larger fleets, and the need to understand the costs of maintenance to make informed decisions about equipment replacement. Furthermore, we've emphasized the value of having spare parts on hand and the significance of training technicians on equipment maintenance procedures. And remember, sometimes problems may not be visible on the equipment itself, but can be detected by looking at the surrounding area. Equip yourself with these best practices and see the difference in your operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more useful insights. Stay tuned!